Second application is internal resistance of primary cell by potentiometer. So for this is again a basic circuit. This is A, B, okay, and again long wire connected with a positive end of battery. This is source battery, and negative end again from B. Now from the positive end we connect a cell, and from this end also a resistance box, resistance we can say, okay, and both these are connected with a key, and this end is connected with a galvanometer, and galvanometer with a jockey, okay. Now in this key K is open. Now in this condition what happens, this resistance box is not connected in the circuit, only this cell is connected, and again we make a contact between jockey and this wire, and we get the point where the galvanometer shows no deflection, that is called null point. So at null point this EMF and potential drop across this length, suppose this length is L1, that will be equal. So EMF of cell will be E equal to K L1. Now what we do, again we kept this key closed. Now when we close this, then what happened, this resistance box is also connected with EMF with the cell, okay. When the cell is connected with resistance, what happens, now we can measure terminal potential difference across the end of this. Now this terminal potential, now the potential is decreased, this is now terminal potential difference. So galvanometer again we have to adjust the length L2 to get again null point. So in this condition, when key K is closed, terminal potential difference V equal to K L2, length will be changed, okay. So from first equation and from second equation we can say E upon V equal to L1 upon L2. Now from Ohm's law, E equal to I R plus R. Here internal resistance is also of this inside it R. So E equal to I R plus R, and V equal to I R. So E equal to I R plus R upon I R equal to L1 upon L2. Okay, I cancel, so we get here 1 प्लस इस R से डिवाइड कर दें, R अपॉन R इक्वल टू L1 अपॉन L2, और वी कैन राइट R अपॉन R इक्वल टू L1 upon L2 minus 1. This is R upon capital R upon capital R. Okay, so or it can be written L1 minus L2 upon L2. So R equal to R L1 minus L2 upon L2. Capital R resistance, this resistance we know, L1 L2 length we know, and we can find out in this way the internal resistance of this primary cell.